Good to see ya! Happy New Year!
New Year!
Did you just have a birthday? You did? Happy birthday, Marilyn. Okay, do you guys know Marilyn? No, you don't? Well, you know, she's grown so much in the last year that I've known her. 2 sizes? Let's not turn now. Let's stay with me. Okay, and Marilyn, I just want to tell you what a wonderful friend you are. You know, how nobody understands you ever. And I mean never. You know, I try my best. In class, we're like, as teams like, let's just move on. Don't worry about it. So, you know, you guys, it's a messed up world. Okay, aging's messed up, isn't it?
Yeah. Yes.
Every time you ask a woman, how old are you? They have a cow. Right? Oh, I can't believe it. Don't. Okay. Usually they'll say 25, round it off to 30. Then they get a little bit older, like in their 50s. They're like, I'm like 39. To make you think a little bit, oh, it's 39, it's not 40. Well, she's at that level, you know? And, you know, I understand getting older. It's crazy. You know, I feel it a little bit, you know? I'd like to tell you about, but I had some blocking over here. So, you know, getting a little bit older, I understand it, I feel it. And I feel like, you know, my vegetables are extra clean at this age. Because every time I sit on the toilet, my fruit gets washed. I messed that up totally! The follow-up was, what about the vegetables? It's the new year. Okay, timing's a little off. I'm Persian. Okay, I've got to recalibrate. Okay. And not only that, you know, you guys, as you get older, you know, I start dating younger girls, right? And I usually like to ask the question, who's your daddy? And she's like, you know, it's Bob, your best friend. I'm like, let's hold on there. Let's try calling me uncle. And one of my friends were at Home Depot shopping over, hears this, and he's like, are you a pedophile now? I'm like, listen, I've never ridden a bicycle. Did that one work? Because I'm going to throw that fucking joke away. It's my favorite, too. I keep trying it. All right, one more before I go. How much time do we have? Okay, one more. I'm thinking. So much pressure up here. Okay. I used to be beautiful in my younger days. Okay. Beautiful hair. Chiseled body. Look at me now. That wasn't the joke! Fuck this!
Keep it going for Hottie, everybody! Hottie! Yeah, it seems smart to go at the person who booked you in the front row. Okay! Coming to the stage now. He is an author and an artist. Put your